In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ChatGPT for free. If you want the official ChatGPT app on your computer and you're not sure where to start, don't worry. This process is very simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT download and run the search. This is the quickest way to find the official download page if you don't already have the direct link. When the results appear, take a moment to look carefully because you want to make sure you're selecting the real ChatGPT download page and not an unrelated website. Next, click on the Download ChatGPT website from the search results. This should take you to the official download page for ChatGPT. It's always a good idea to use the official site when downloading software, especially for apps like this, because it helps you avoid unofficial copies or misleading download pages. Once the page loads, you should see download options for different devices or operating systems. From there, click on Windows. This will start the process of getting the Windows version of ChatGPT onto your computer. Make sure you choose the version that matches your device, and in this case, that's the Windows option. After clicking it, your browser may begin downloading the installer automatically, or it may ask you where you'd like to save the file. Either way, just let the download complete before moving on. A helpful tip here is to wait until the file is fully downloaded before trying to open it. If your internet connection is a little slow, it may take a few extra moments, and that's completely normal. You may also see the downloaded file appear in your browser's downloads bar or in your downloads folder. And that's it for the download portion. The main thing is to search for ChatGPT download, open the official download page, and then select Windows to get the correct version for your computer. If you follow those steps carefully, you should have no problem getting started. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you download ChatGPT quickly and safely.